How to submit a repair request. It's obviously annoying when something is broken. To speed up the repair process, it's necessary to fill out the repair form correctly. You can find this form on our website. Step 1. Log in with your account. Step 2. Go to Repair Request and click on Submit Repair Request. Step 3. Click on New Repair Request and choose your language. Step 4. Choose the environment to which the repair request applies and select the specific room where the problem is located. Enter all details about the defect and also add a problem description. The more detailed information you provide, the faster the repair process will be. Also add a photo of the defect for an even better assessment. Step 6. Check whether all information entered is complete and correct, including your own contact details. Is everything correct and agreed? Then click on Continue. Your repair request has now been successfully submitted. You will be kept informed of the status of the repair request by email. Thanks for watching this explanation video. For your repair request, go to idealis.nl. If you have any questions, please contact the housing manager.